I'm Carles Planells, and I welcome you to this Darbuka course, Learn Your First 100 Rhythms on Darbuka. In this course, we are going to start with the basic sounds of Darbuka, and then we are going to learn our first 100 rhythms on the instrument. We are going to see rhythms like this rhythm, for example. Or like this rhythm. Or like this rhythm. Or like this rhythm. Okay, so in my opinion, music and percussion is like a language, and the first thing when we learn a language is learn the basic vocabulary. In this case, the basic vocabulary are the rhythms. So we are going to learn 100 rhythms, because if, for example, if we know 100 verbs of a language, we can do a lot of things. We can say, I want drink, I need eat. So we can do things with 100 verbs. And in this case, it's the same. With 100 rhythms, we can start to recognize patterns when we listen music, and it's a funny and easy way to develop the basic technique of the instrument. So this is the method of the course. Give thanks to the masters for the legacy. Thanks for you to watch. I hope you enjoy a lot. Long life music and long life percussion. Okay, let's see the basic sounds of Darbuka. First of all, we have the bass sound, is this sound. Is the lower sound of Darbuka, and we hit with this part, in this part. Finding the lower sound, okay? So if you find the lower sound, you will see. Okay, it's here. So when you see a B on the screen, a B written on the screen, is that we hit this sound, the bass, okay? The B is of bass. Then we have another sound, which is the high, is this sound. Is the higher sound. We hit with the finger, with this part here, finding the higher sound. So it's the same. Find the higher sound like this. And you will see that is with this part here. So if you see an H on the screen, is that we hit this sound, okay? Then we can practice these sounds with this exercise, which is bass, high, bass, high, bass, high, bass, high, bass, high. And with the other hand. Then we have another sound, which is the medium. The medium is the sound. Is like the high, but weaker, okay? The high is like this, and the medium is like this. Okay, so if you see an M on the screen, is that we hit medium, the medium. We write with an M. So let's see this exercise to practice the three sounds, which is bass, high, medium, bass, high, medium. With the other hand. And then the last sound is the slap, is the most difficult sound, is this sound. So we write this sound with an S. If you see an S, is the slap sound. We hit with this part, doing like this, in this part. And we hit very aggressive, with a lot of... you have to do it with power, okay? With energy, with aggressivity, okay? So you have to find it. With time will come, but at the beginning you will do like this. But with the time, but it's not important, this sound. The most important sounds are the bass, the medium, and the high. With these three sounds we will build the most rhythms, and the majority of the rhythms, a lot of rhythms are with these three sounds. And then when you know how to play the rhythms with these three sounds, then start with the rhythms with the slap, okay? So let's see this exercise to practice the 4 sounds, which is bass, high, medium, slap, bass, high, medium, slap, bass, high, medium, slap. The other hand. So these are the 4 sounds that we are going to use in this course. Now let's see the study method of the course. First of all, I'm gonna play the rhythm at a normal speed so you can hear how it sounds. Let's see this rhythm, for example. So this is the rhythm at a normal speed. Then I'm gonna tell you the sounds, and the sounds will appear written on the screen like this. If you see, these are the sounds of the rhythm, are bass, medium, high, high, medium, medium, high, high. So this is the rhythm written only one time, but we play the rhythms in cycles. That is the thing that make a rhythm, no? So let's see the rhythm. Play it in cycles very slow is... Again. And with velocity. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna play the rhythm at a normal speed. Then I'm gonna tell you the sounds that the rhythm have, and the sounds will appear on the screen. And then finally, I'm gonna play the rhythm from very slow to very fast, so you can see how it sounds in different velocities, okay? This is the study method of the course. Is very intuitive and easy to follow. So I hope that you enjoy and learn a lot.